kids, and today we're gonna be playing with our slime part 2.
But we are gonna add some glitter on too.
If you didn't remember the last video, we made slime, and we had shaving cream, laundry detergent, glow in the dark glitter glue. No, not glitter glue. Why am I saying that? We had clear glue. We had all of that stuff.
And mine actually really worked.
Yeah, mine's didn't because I'm not really of the slime master. I'm more of like an artist.
Yeah, he's more like an artist.
Fun fact, I love art. I love art.
If you like art or slime, comment down below.
They're both really the same thing. So slime and art,
I like
I
the
don't
same
know.
thing. And putty is like the same thing, but it's not sticky.
So we're gonna play with some slime. Sophia, do you want to add some glitter?
Of
Oh!
course I do.
Hi!
I was about to add some of this like this purplish glitter.
Show the glitter.
This?
No, Sophia,
I'm
the
gonna-
slime.
What?
Play
slime?
with that slime. Look.
What?
Do you want to play with it?
I'm gonna add some glitter first, and then I'm gonna play with it.
Seriously, I thought you were gonna play with it, and you're gonna go like, "Oh, I'm gonna play with the slime first, and then after glitter." Oh. That's what I thought you were gonna say. Now it's gonna be pretty sticky. I'm like this. I'm like no.
Okay, that's enough for now. And I'm just gonna close it so it doesn't like go in the ground like we did with the
Before.
So like I'm gonna like
Oh.
close it and just really close it. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix up my glitter so my hands are gonna be really glittery.
Okay, so I can't.
Aww, so satisfying.
Fun fact, you guys can poke your slime. Some slimes can be poked, and bring them to the camera. Show
Okay.
all the glitters to the camera.
Okay, we add some of these glitter, but we use all of that like blue.
What? No way! You use all the blue?
Of course I did.
You can.
No, you used all of the blue. I used like a lot, but you used like all of it.
And slime is actually pretty fun to make bubbles. You can make bubbles, but this is on plastic, and it can't really work on plastic. You can work it with Sophia. Talk to the camera. You have it
with like it's
like a table, like a table.
Like this one has like a mat, so it doesn't work. So we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna take it off, or else it's gonna like stick. Cause look.
It'll make a mess, and we don't want our sticker.
Oh yeah, mine is actually not that sticky. It sticks, but I don't want a lot of like the laundry, because there's laundry detergent here. I don't want the laundry detergent to come.
Now it's getting way too sticky. I don't really make slime, but it's coming out of my hand so
Hello. If you can't not see me, just tell me.
fine.
In the comments down below.
Magical Hands just gave us a great idea. We
Okay.
could make bubbles. I don't think we can. So we're gonna move everything right on the side. Everything. Shaving cream. We made 2 fluffy.
Glitter, you move. Okay, I think like.
So Sophia,
Give me
here
that.
is the Toy Story Mart.
And if even the Toy Story 3 just came out. So.
No, Toy Story 4.
4, not 3. I remember like.
This is like the old one.
Yeah, this is the old one.
And from the last episode, there was like glitter falling everywhere. So.
Let me see if it actually sticks.
Yeah. Oh gosh, it's falling everywhere. Magical Hands just got it.
Like a whole.
I think I'm.
Oh my god, you don't know what I'm doing. Well, I'm actually putting it in the map right now.
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna be putting it on the map because
Look, it's not even sticky on the map.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need some more laundry detergent.
I know, it's like really cool. Never made fluffy slime before, and I
Yes,
really want
it
to.
just came. In the video is starting, we just talked about the slime and then the shaving cream. It just came.
Yeah.
Oh!
You made a bubble.
Almost.
Can you listen to my bubble?
What is this? What is this? Shh. Wait, what? This is like a container.
I think you put it inside.
You put glitter. You put glitter!
You put this one?
You put the slime? Would you want to do that?
I don't want to do that because mine is really cool. And I want to
Me too, but I might need to deal with this one. Let me feel it. It doesn't really go with this slime. It's too like,
Oh, now it's
wiggle.
dark blue. It used to be like light.
Yeah,
remember?
but I don't think this might work because it's too
Oh,
jiggly
mine's
and it
not
doesn't
that
stretch.
stretchy anymore. So like,
None of it is stretchy.
yeah, mine's just now this one.
Now it isn't stretchy. Well, in our last video, I made the slime. It was so stretchy. It was so sticky. Now it isn't. Just
Mine was really sticky.
I
If
think
you
this
saw
is
my
more-
hands replay to that thing. It was like crazy, but then now it's like only sparkly.
Yeah,
But
mine's
a
is
little
glitter.
bit like gluey because of the glue. It came some in my arm, so.
Yeah, some of the glue came in my arm, but I think it came out. Like, it isn't getting that sticky because we're playing with
Look,
it.
look, look! I'm gonna make a ball. Look what happens when it just do nothing. Wait, can you please listen to my my poking noise again?
When you're done poking and you want to poke it again, you just like fold it, and then after
Yeah,
you
like
do this.
like this. No, you don't do it. I love Poke Slime. I never even had Poke Slime before.
I had like one type of Poke Slime before. Oh, yeah, I had Poke Slime. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Everyone, one like equals one. One like equals one luck for me to make a bubble in front
Once
of you.
I actually I bought putty, but now I don't know where it is. I lost it.
Oh! No way! I gotta replay that, but I can't. No! That always is it! Jiggle, jiggle. I think I need to poke it more. Okay, one. Okay, you guys, like this video, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button, and that will give me some luck to do a bubble.
And also, we want you to subscribe to this channel in 5 seconds.
No!
To hit that bell notification so you never miss a video, and let's do it in 5 seconds. So let's
Five,
start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you did that, comment down below. High five, kids, and I'll reply to your comments. And I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to do the bubble in 3, 2, 1. Oh. That was a fail. Okay, again. Oh! No!
You made a bubble.
No!
But no, if it has a hole, it will go down and it will pop.
Yes! I finally made a bubble!
Mine is not really like a bubbly slime. It's like a stretchy and pokey slime and fluffy slime.
Well, I'm really sad for you, but I have the
I don't
best
like
slime.
bubble slimes.
What? Wait, what? Mine's is pokey, bubbly, and stretchy. All of that
It's
in
like
one.
when you do this, it just like comes down like way faster.
So we're gonna end the video right now. But first. I was scared to want to buy it, but I always want to do bonuses sometimes. And this is the time we do a bonus. We're gonna do, I was scared to 1 to 10.
I'm scared of 1 to infinity, infinity, infinity.
No! I was scared of 1 to 10.
Okay, I think it's infinity, 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 and infinity.
Hey, Sophia, if you're done playing with your slime, and this is the 10, so if you like this video, smash that like button, hit the bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. I'm done.
Wait, why? Wait, you have to put it in the container or else it will dry.
What? Can you tell me the steps? I've never done this.
Okay, so you have a bowl. Oh my god, let me see. Okay, get a small roll and then put it inside your container.
Yeah? What do I do next?
And then leave.
Okay, but, okay.